Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. If you have any kind of HP Smart Tank printer 725, 515 or any other model and you are facing the issue, in the screen you will see E7 error and there is one ink light is blinking. So in your printer, if any kind of E7 error and it's showing any ink light blinking, in my case the C ink is blinking. So what does it mean? That there is no ink in the cyan tank. We have to fill the cyan tank because there is a sensor back over there, back the tank, that is sensing the ink. So now the ink is empty in the tank, so that's why it's showing E7 error, and with E7 it's showing C ink is blinking. So what I will do right now, I will disconnect the power. And then I will fill a bit amount of ink in the tank. This cyan I got here, this I will fill it here. Okay, look, it's filled a bit. Hopefully the sensor will sense the ink in the tank. Look, quarter tank I filled already. Now I will turn back it on again to make sure. Hopefully the error will be raised. Okay, it's turning on now. Printer is initializing. It's initializing. And you can see there is no E7 error, no more E7 error. So E7 error indicates that the problem is with the empty tank. You have to follow the instructions on the screen. If it's showing CMY, you have to fill the tank according to the ink light error. Hopefully you will get the point. E7 error due to the empty tank. Okay, if you have any other question, you can add down in the comments. Now I will print the report. I will press the I button and then I will press arrow button. It will print for me the report for the printer about the print quality. You can see all colors are printing quite fine: black, yellow, magenta and cyan. Ask anything if you want in the comments, I will reply. Thank you for watching. All the best.